You guys to this YouTube channel, to this amazing content of this day. This video is meant to make you succeed. I want to ask, have you been given any task or any assignment to go to handle and you feel you will not be able to succeed in it, or you are not getting the satisfaction, or the result is poor? This video is for you. Have you been struggling to get the most out of your job, your business? This video is for you. Come on, let's go into the real deal of this video. So this video is going to be a tips to succeed in any task, how to get success in any task you are given, any assignment, any dream of your choice. This is the tips I want to give you. To all our new subscribers, my name is Vincent. Our new subscriber, you are welcome. We always comment, like and subscribe to this video. Those that are already returning as a subscriber, I welcome you all to this video again. This is the tip. I will give you 2 tips how to ace and win in any assignment, how to achieve success without murmuring or without grumbling or without feeling dissatisfied. Number 1 tip is you need to do it habitually. Have you been given any assignment? Did they give you any assignment for any task or in your job or in your business? You are starting a new business, or you are a YouTuber, or you are a content creator, and you don't feel the result you really want or the goal you have set, you are not getting it. Our advice number 1 tip is learn to do whatever you are doing habitually. Habitually is like surround yourself with that particular task. It's not that you just do it occasionally, like anytime you feel like doing it, like you are just relaxed about it. No, be habitual about the task. Are you a footballer? Why not? Come on, being habitual is surrounding yourself with that dream, in and out. Even if you are tired, you are weary, you are broke or not, stay in that task. Be there habitually. You might not be engaging in it physically, but your mind should be in it. I don't say you should not rest. Resting is also part of the game. Like you are resting in the task, not out of the task, not leaving the task, not feeling discouraged. Rest in that task habitually. Stay in the task. Be on top of your game. That's how to win in any assignment or any task you have been given. Remember, I said habitually. Number 2 is do it persistently. Now, we said number 1 is habitually, staying and dwelling in that task, like engaging, doing all that it takes. No matter if you have not seen the result yet, stay there, engage in it, do it. And then number 2, add this into it, engage in it persistently. Are you a constructor, or are you into building? Are you an architect? Are you into real estate? Are you into personal business or content creation? Still continue creating your content if you're a content creator persistently. Are you a preacher or a minister or a footballer? Be persistent about it. Persistent in such a way that everybody know that you and this goal, you and this target, you and this task, you and this assignment, people are one. Like stay there. I will give you this illustration. If you want to break a rock, it's not the first hit of a hammer or a chisel that will bring that particular portion of a rock, that particular pieces or particle of it down. But if you keep hitting at it, suddenly you discover a crack, and then the next hit, discover that little effort it counts in any goal, any task you have been given. So it's not big deal. Thank God you have already gotten the idea of what I'm saying. I say number 1, to win in any task or to succeed in any assignment, learn to do it what? Habitually, not occasionally. And then to also succeed, ensure that you do it what? Persistently. I count it all joy that I'm creating this content for you. I do this content, this YouTube habitually. I do other part-time jobs. I do other thing. I work on site. I render out that task. I get contract. But I remember that I'm a YouTuber, even despite doing that thing. I still do it what? Habitually. I have ideas running in my brain. I have even the surrounding I'm living, the way people talk to me, I say, wow, this is how to speak, this is how to do this. I also engage in all of those things, even as a YouTuber, ensuring that I'm already being in my game, like being on top of my game. So are you a driver? Whatever you are doing, a pilot, whatever be your task, if you want to really succeed that, you must do it habitually. It's not that today you are a pilot, tomorrow because maybe you tried since you're a pilot, you didn't get your reward fully, or maybe you didn't get a flight shift that day, and then you decide to be maybe discouraged. You want to go and become a taxi driver. It's your goal. Only to shift your mindset alone, you are already almost spoiling the whole plan. Be habitual about it. Stay there. If you are not physically engaging, you should be learning something about that particular task you have been given. Be habitual about it. Then to round it up persistently, just continue to persist. Continue to persist. Don't divert your mind. Insist. You might not get the result today, but the more you persist, like I gave that illustration of a rock, those that chisel rock, those that break rock, those that hit it, even the carpenter, they know that the first hit, the second hit, the third hit, that little effort you are adding, it will yield a very great result. Most of the times, footballers, they go for their training. So those little effort they use in going for that training, that's what counts at the final match, when they have matches to play. So it keeps them on their feet. Those little effort, it counts a lot. Please, be habitual about whatever you are doing. About your task, put that habitual mentality, not occasionally. You just decide, in 1 week time, in 1 month time. As a content creator, I've been mentored, or I've experienced this thing, that if you really want your content to go viral, like people should watch your content, you should be habitual about it. It's not that you come and post a content today and then next 2 months you come and post another one. No, you need to be on top of your game. Have a schedule, how you go about it, and also persist. I love you guys.